Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. We're here in a 270 venue, called 270 because of the 270 degrees of view they have outside. We're here on the stage. Check it out. This is the stage of the 270 venue. There's plenty of seating here, even inside this little fishbowl. More stage over here. This is an incredible and very beautiful venue. Look at this. More seating up there too in the balcony. The balcony's up there on deck 6. Let's check this out. What you're seeing up there, those are the robo screens. Those are 6 100-inch TVs attached to robotic arms. We'll check this out. Oh, it looks like they're not letting us back there. Sorry about that. We'll have to go the other way. All right. Back onto the stage. You can kind of see here under the screens the robots. And truly behind the scenes. Six robot arms controlling 6 100-inch screens. And here's more of that 270 degree view. Today we're in port. St. Kitts. This is Port Sante. Norwegian Viva joins us in port. Naturally, you're not too far from a bar. There's the bar. More of the stage and the robo screens. Let's head up to deck 6. All right. Little elevated view here. Here's the balcony seating for a 270. And this is surprisingly the library. Why they would have a library inside of a venue like this is beyond me. Like with shows going on, it'd be awfully loud here in the library. I'm not sure you can see this through the glare. That's the control booth. It's where they control all the fun technology here in 270. There's another view from the balcony. And here's another little sub balcony. with some seating. Most people don't know about this, but you do because you're a smart viewer. And the other side, the balcony view of 270. And of course, this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969, on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.